Welcome back, everyone, to the next segment of our webinar. Settle in, grab your iced coffee, because today we are talking about two main characters of digital business. If you look at the screen, you will see we are focusing on two giants you probably interact with every single week, Netflix and Airbnb. But here is the thing, we aren't just looking at them as basic apps on your home screen anymore. We are looking at how they are literally curating our ultimate reality today. They have stopped being just passive software and have started acting as the main characters that orchestrate your entire digital lifestyle. Let's be real for a second. As a modern digital consumer, you only really have two dominant moods. On the left side, we have cozy mode, or staying in. This is when you are avoiding the group chat, wrapping up in a blanket, and needing the perfect indoor aesthetic curated for you. Netflix completely owns that mood. On the right, we have side quest mode, or going out. This is when you are finally escaping that group chat, packing a bag, and catching a flight for a weekend adventure. Airbnb owns that mood. Between staying in and going out, these two apps basically cover the entire spectrum of your life's vibes. Now, let's look at this slide and dive into the Netflix SOP, or Standard Operating Procedure. Traditionally, Netflix was all about passive streaming. You sit, you watch, you do nothing else. But Netflix realized that being passive isn't enough to hold your attention forever. So look at their massive expansions today. Expansion 1 is cloud gaming, and Expansion 2 is live events. They are making a bold statement. They don't just want to be a digital movie rental store anymore. They are expanding the entire living room to own your complete cozy mode experience. Whether you're playing a game with a joystick or watching a live sporting event, they want you doing it all inside their ecosystem.
How did Netflix get so powerful in the first place? Let's check out this slide. The Mind Reader algorithm. Have you ever logged onto Netflix feeling bored or needing a laugh or wanting to cry, and the exact perfect show is right there on the homepage? That is their AI box at work. As you can see on the screen, Netflix uses predictive analytics to drive a massive 80% of what users actually watch. 80%! That means 8 out of 10 times you aren't manually searching for a show. The algorithm already knows what you want before you even type a single letter. It reads your mind and serves the vibe.
Now, let's shift our focus to the other side of your life here. Let's look at the Airbnb SOP. Imagine sending a text message like the one on the screen. I'm exhausted. I need a cozy cabin for 3 persons with a hot tub next week. Take me somewhere warm. In the past, a basic search bar would crash trying to process that emotional language. But Airbnb is evolving from a simple search bar into a full-blown travel agent AI. By utilizing advanced natural language processing, or NLP, it can take that single vibe-based prompt and plan an entire end-to-end trip. It seamlessly pulls up your round-trip flights to Miami, secures that secluded treehouse booking, and even schedules a private local vineyard tour. It does all the heavy lifting, so you don't have to. Let's move on to see how Airbnb manages to scale this globally. The concept is no baggage, just vibes. Look at the balance scale on your screen. On the left, you have traditional, heavy hotel chains that have to spend millions to build and maintain physical real estate. On the right, you have Airbnb's model, the asset-light marketplace. Airbnb doesn't actually own those heavy, expensive hotel buildings. Instead, they create massive global value purely by connecting user-owned homes via a digital thread. They own the network, the data, and the trust. By staying asset-light, they can scale infinitely faster than any traditional hotel chain ever could. Meet the ecosystem orchestrators. Look at who's sitting right in the center of this solar system. It's you. Netflix and Airbnb are no longer just building simple apps. They are building complete, closed-loop universes. Netflix surrounds you with shows, gaming, and live events. Airbnb orbits around you with stays, flights, and itineraries. The ultimate goal of these orchestrators is to anticipate your absolutely every need and keep you perfectly in their orbit, so you never even have to leave their platform.
This is a great slide to screenshot for your notes. For Netflix, the mood they cater to is the cozy couch potato. Their current massive flex is that 80% predictive AI. And today's era focuses heavily on cloud gaming and live events. On the flip side, Airbnb's mood is the main character traveler. Their structural flex is their asset-light scaling. And today's era is completely defined by their NLP AI trip planner. The bottom line? As the slide loudly says, they are no longer just apps.
If you only remember one single takeaway from everything we have talked about in this video, let it be this golden rule. The future of digital business isn't about selling a product. It is about orchestrating the vibe. You aren't selling a movie. You are selling the perfect Friday night in. You aren't selling a hotel bed. You are selling a stress-free weekend escape. Master the orchestration, and you master digital commerce. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Take a breather, review your notes, and we will catch you in the next video.